हेलो स्टूडेंट, स्टैंडर्ड 8 इंग्लिश मीडियम, सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स, एक्सरसाइज 3.4, जिसमें क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, स्टेट वेदर ट्रू और फॉल्स। फर्स्ट, ऑल रेक्टेंगल्स आर स्क्वायर। नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ rectangles, all the opposite sides are equals and all the angles are also equals. इन रेक्टेंगल स्टूडेंट्स ऑपोजिट साइड्स की जो पेयर्स होती है वो इक्वल्स होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अवर टेक्स्ट बुक्स, इवन नोटबुक्स ऑल्सो आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ रेक्टेंगल and that all angles are 90 degree. And properties of square, all sides are equals and all the angles are equals. In both rectangles and squares, all the angles are 90 degree. But all rectangles are not square, so it's a false, because of in rectangle opposite sides are only equal and in squares all sides are equal, so that's why it's a false. Second number, all rhombus are parallelogram. Now in rhombus students, all sides are equals and their diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. And in parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and their diagonals are bisect. So in rhombus, opposite angles are equal and diagonals intersect at midpoint, so it's a true. Third number, all squares are rhombus and also rectangles. It's true, since squares have the same property of rhombus but not a rectangle. D, all squares are not parallelogram. It's false, since all squares have the same property of parallelogram. E, all kites are rhombus. Since false, since all kites do not have equal sides. Students, we know that in kite shapes, adjacent two sides are equal in upper side, and downside its adjacent two sides are equals, but its all sides are not equals. F, all rhombus are kites. It's true, since all rhombus have equal sides and diagonals bisect each other. In G, all parallelograms are trapeziums. True, since trapezium has only two parallel sides. Now students, we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal, and same things in trapezium, opposite sides are parallel, so it's a true. And last one, all squares are trapezium. It's true, since all squares have also two parallel lines. Now next, question number 2, identify all the quadrilaterals that have four sides of equal lengths. Now students, in quadrilateral, rhombus and square both have equal length. स्टूडेंट्स, हमें पता है कि rhombus में opposite sides, all sides are equal, and in square also all the sides are equal. Second number, four right angles in rectangle and a square have four right angles. ये दोनों जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स है, रेक्टेंगल और स्क्वायर, उसके अंदर सारे जो एंगल्स है वो राइट एंगल्स मीन्स 90 डिग्री होते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Explain how a square is. First, quadrilateral. A square is a quadrilateral if it has 4 unequal length of sides. Second number, a parallelogram. A square is a parallelogram. क्या स्क्वायर पैरेललोग्राम हो सकता है? यस, सिंस इट कंटेन्स बोथ पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल बिकॉज ऑफ इन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम जो है उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज है ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. इन स्क्वायर ऑल्सो ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. थर्ड नंबर, रोम्बस. क्या स्क्वायर रोम्बस हो सकता है? अब रोम्बस की प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है? इन रोम्बस बोथ द diagonals are bisect each other at 90 degree. So a square is also a rhombus, already rhombus, since it has 4 equal sides and diagonals bisect each other at a 90 degree. Now fourth number, a rectangle. A square is a parallelogram since having each adjacent angles right angle and opposite sides are equal, so it's a rectangle. Question number 4. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other. ऐसे quadrilateral जिसके diagonal bisect होते हैं, तो ऐसे rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle और square होता है. Second number, a quadrilateral whose diagonals perpendicular bisector each other, जो rhombus और square है. Third number, diagonals are equal, so diagonals are equal, then it is a square or rectangle. Square और rectangle दोनों ऐसे quadrilateral है जिसके diagonals equal होते हैं. Next, question number 5. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. A rectangle is a convex quadrilateral since its vertex are raised, both of its diagonal lie in its interior. जिसके diagonals जो है वो interior होते हैं. ओके, तो उसे हम convex quadrilateral बोलते हैं. Now next, last question you have to write yourself.